Hey guys, Wednesday 16th of September about 4:30 p.m. We're going to have a quick 10-minute Q&A. We're going to go through the comments, try and keep this one short, around about 10 minutes, try and do it a bit more regularly and go through those important questions and see if we've got some answers for you. I'll just grab this beer and sit down about here and crack that one, of course. That's the most important thing. Don't worry about this guy here, bit of chit chat. Got to proof watch a few videos as well while we're at it, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Okay, so 28 minutes ago, not a questions, let me go through looking for a question. 2 hours ago, good info mate. Okay, let me just open this one up so there's a question. I have the 327 through a fridge, happy with the ride, recently purchased a caravan, ball weight, anyway, thanks for the videos, okay, can't see a question there. I'll find it, I'm just skimming through them all, a lot of usual compliments and information. Okay, this is a question. Hi mate, do you also sell or supply parts for 2KD model engine? My car is Toyota Hilux 2013, let me know please, looking for manufacturer's manual for the same car. Okay, can't help you with manual. I'm just very busy, one-man band. You know, I've got a few helpers here or there, but mainly to keep the quality and information 100%, it's me. So unfortunately, look, if it's a bit of a quieter time, the way to inquire with any sales is via text message Monday morning from 8:30 a.m, anything from 9 a.m. as well. Monday mornings is the best time for parts. So all depending how, you know, if for some reason I'll be having a quieter time for once, then I can say, of course I can help you out with injectors, pipes, seals and gaskets, but if I'm flat out busy already pumping out injector kits, other kits, getting these jobs done, all the work and everything related, unfortunately not. So it's not a normal line, we don't keep them in stock, but we can certainly get those. If you're local, anybody that's local to me and that can pick stuff up, that's something where we try and go a little bit above and beyond, and because at least it saves us the time of packing it and stuff like that. So hopefully that answers that question. Chances are probably no, but you can give me a try and maybe yes. Okay, next question. I have a problem with hot start. Like, you know, you just need to, if you've got a problem, you need to watch the videos and learn or take it to a workshop. I can't do diagnostic over the internet. I'm already flat chat, unfortunately. If it was something quick and easy on at least the right car, you've got a whatever 1CD FTV, clean SCVs, or you don't clean SCVs, you replace it. So to me, straight away in the second line, it sounds like you're not watching enough videos. So please do yourself a favour and watch the videos and you might pick up some information. Okay, watch the land, awesome. Steve says, at least you're honest and not trying to make up, I can't say that, BS about the difference, mate. I don't make anything up and I don't even care, right? I'm not here to keep everyone happy. I'm here to share the information to help you guys. It's what it is. It doesn't make any difference to me either way. So people can take it or leave it. And yeah, I do call a spade a spade. So sorry if you got a little bit hurt your feelings because you're a bit soft, but maybe it's a good experience and you can learn to harden up a bit. I think I'm pretty nice to everyone and all the vehicles. You know, when we talk about Nissans, we're pretty nice. We like Nissans as well, you know, especially if they're made in Japan. But we like Toyotas better because they're the best. Anyway, questions, looking for questions. Okay. Just sorted it. Damn. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And any chance you could do a vid on changing coolant? Search the channel, from what I could see, I couldn't find it. I would have thought I did something. Look, it's a pretty straightforward job, you know, taking a plug out, letting it drain, or 2 or 3 plugs, depending what engine it is. So on the 1KD, you can drain it at the radio. There's also a plug to drain the block, but I prefer to take the hose off down below, the one that runs from the header tank down the bottom, you know. But so we just do it with a big front engine job. You got everything off and you get all the coolant out, don't flush it, and then you refill it slowly. I have definitely talked about it in videos, so watch some more videos. And if you do get the big front engine kit, there's more detailed videos in the VIP group. But yeah, if I can, I'll get around to doing a video changing coolant. Okay. Okay, one day ago. I've got TGM XJS Gold in my 2011 150 Prado for the last 4 years. Can't really compare them to anything else besides the stock Toyota gear. I've been quite happy with them, however, until it seems the front constant load isn't as high as it used to be. I'm thinking it could be time for a change. Have you got feedback? TGM. I don't know much about TGM. Not many people have got them. From what I read on the internet, from the few people that have got them, they seem to be reasonably happy. I don't know where they're currently made, what they are. I don't know if they're Chinese junk or something decent, rebadged, whatever. I don't know much about it. No real feedback. And I don't see any reason why the Donaldsons would match, vice versa and all that, So, but make sure you're replacing the right components. Springs, it's more about height. If you're happy one day with a ride, then it's not the spring. If you're not happy with a height, then it may be the spring. If it's the ride that's changed, it's probably your struts are flogged, and you usually end up with either a soft ride or a hard ride when you've got a problem. So yeah, not a lot of experience. Sorry, I couldn't help you a lot there. Then we've got one that gets personal, and he involved Jesus. Please do not call upon Jesus or Christ. He had nothing to do with it. I bet the cockatoos fly into an open flame after listening to you. You would win a gold medal for Australia. Utter babble. How to turn a 5-minute video into a 3-hour saga. And that was like an 8-minute video showing you how to change bonnet struts, showing you before and after, and getting it done in 8 minutes. I thought that was pretty awesome. So I'm quite offended, But I allowed the comment and I didn't block you. So see how reasonable I am? You might want to think next time though, because I'm not always going to be that patient. And if you want to carry on, if you don't like it, don't watch. See you later, But there's plenty of good information there and people love it. Just look at the comments. Some people are just too hard to please, right? Anyway, let's look for questions, not people complaining. Someone said radio in the background will be your worst enemy for YouTube videos, mate. I don't understand what you mean. How's it your worst enemy? I don't get that. And then I played it back a little bit. He goes, turn it off next time. You know better. Do I? Okay. Oh, I played it back. I couldn't hear a radio. So it must be dull in the background. So I don't think that's going to cause any problems. Please provide more information when you make a comment, as I do, so that I know what you're talking about, what aspect, because you really... Martin, that wasn't Martin, that was Austin Powers, of course, and I've got no idea what you're on about, so please explain. Bloody good education here, Martin says, also interesting. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Where do you work, mate? I'd love to take my Hilux for a full service. Okay. Yeah, highly experienced professional, that's it. Look, I work in different areas actually. As little as possible is my old saying, and it's kind of like, well, at the end of the day, I've worked out I can't do them all, so I'm trying to delegate, send some work to some awesome workshops that I'm finding, and help you guys do your own where we can't find someone that can do the job right. So where do I work? Well, I work in Hillside, if you like, right here where I'm sitting at the moment, more or less, yeah. So if you want to make contact, text message Monday mornings from 8 a.m. and we can perhaps book you in. As I've said in other videos, pretty much got a full book on regular servicing clients, and the only sort of work we really accept is, kind of like those bigger jobs, because it's, anyone can change oil. You can learn how to do that. If you can't, I'll send you somewhere. If you really, if you're local and you really want me to do the injector job, or you want me to do the big front engine job, these sorts of jobs, they're the ones we do. If you want us to change the front wheel bearings or do a transmission flush, the sensitive jobs that if you're not confident that you're not going to get it right, then we'll take care of it for you. Anyway, that's one day ago. Someone says, if Toyota specifies that an NM setting for the struts, there's probably a good reason. If the setting is too high, it's stressing out the mounting bolts, threads, and possibly pieces of steel that contact the stop upward travel of the bonnet. So this was a video putting bonnet struts on. I don't know what you're talking about a Newton meter setting for the struts. Oh, look, you're confused or I'm confused. Stick to the specified. I don't know why you're talking about NM ratings. The mounting holes. You put it in. It wouldn't matter if you left it loose or tightened it up. It's not going to change how the bonnet strut works. You're in a set position. So I don't know where that comes into it. You need to please explain. Okay, and look, that's about it, guys. We said we're going to keep this one short, so that's Q&A for Wednesday the 16th of September at about 4:40 p.m. Bada bing, bada boom, and I'll keep having a look at these videos, and you can keep watching about 2 videos a day, and that way you've got about 1 or 2 a day. Look, I'm trying to keep it down to 1 a day. Some people want more. Some people are complaining they're behind. Anyway, get on it. Start watching. Get yourself educated. If you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up if you got an answer there, or you got some information out of one of the answers, or you enjoyed it just because you enjoyed it. And cheers to you, and bada bing, bada boom. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn the bell on. I'm out of here. Ciao for now. Test video here, so we're going to read through some comments. I just wanted to see where I'm sitting. So let's have a look and see how that looks.